Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection of 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. Come see the car for yourself.